Lecture 2: What is computer science? Computer science is the study of computers and computational systems. Unlike electrical and computer engineers, computer scientists deal mostly with software and software systems. This includes their theory, design, development, and application. Principal areas of study within computer science include artificial intelligence, computer systems and networks, security, database system, human-computer interaction, vision and graphics, numerical analysis, programming languages, software engineering, bioinformatics, and theory of computing. Although knowing how to program is essential to the study of computer science, it is only one element of the field. Computer scientists design and analyze algorithms to solve programs and study the performance of computer hardware and software. The problems that computer scientists encounter range from the obstacles determining what problems can be solved with computers and the complexity of the algorithm that solve them to the rangeable designing applications that perform well on handheld devices that are easy to use and the uphold security pressures. Computer science focuses on the development and testing of software and software systems. It involves working with mathematical models, data analysis and security algorithms and computational theory. Computer science is considered as part of a family of five separate yet interrelated disciplines: computer engineering, computer science, information systems, information technology, and software engineering. Some core computer science courses you may cover include Theory of Computational, Fundamental of Computer Science, Compilers and Operating Systems, Information Theory, Basic Programming System and Architecture, Software Development and Testing, Web Applications and Databases, Algorithms and Data Structures.